is a Poopsie Surprise Unicorn! And it says, unicorn really poops. So there's Dazzle Darling, there's Rainbow Brightstar, there's Oopsie Starlight, and there's Whoopsie Doodle. They're all so cute and they're just amazing. And it says there's 20 magic surprises. And this packaging is so cute. It's a sun peeking with a rainbow, and there's a unicorn peeking through here, and there's 2 unicorns on the front, and it says Poopsie Surprise Unicorn on the front. Yeah. So first you need to feed the unicorn. Second, it magically poops slime. 3, add magic, and 4, collect them all. These are so cute. I'm so excited to see which one I get. No, I'm not sure which one I want. Comment down below which unicorn you think I'm going to get. So there's this one, there's this one, there's this one, and there's this one. I don't know if I pointed in the right direction then. Did I? Yes.
You did.
Right. Shall we open it? This packaging is so cute, by the way. It says hashtag Poopsie Slimes on the back. I think that's like their Instagram and YouTube. They have a YouTube channel. Yay! Alright, so should we open it?
I think so.
I'm so excited! This is going to be like amazing. Oh yeah, this is massive and it's really heavy. Right, just stick that rubbish on the floor. Right, how do we open this? Oh no, we have to rip the packaging. Look, it has this little tab here. Oh, the packaging is so cute though. Well, at least we get whatever's inside. So, there's 20 magic surprises. That's massive. Right. So we're peeling it off.
You just turn it round so we can see what as you're peeling. That's all.
Right, I'll try. I'll let you guys see first. Oh, there's so many surprises. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look at this. It's massive. Right, shall we count how many surprises are down on this at the moment? So, on this, it's the packaging. OMG, this is such a good idea. It's like, it's got dents in this. And what they've done is they've stuck different things onto the piece of cardboard. And what they've done is they've attached it around it. And it's so awesome because you peel it off. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things on here. Right. It's in this super cute holographic packaging and it's just mind-blowing. Right, so it said there's a shirt for our unicorn. There's unicorn magic. I think that's like to change the colour or whatever. There's the brush to brush its hair, which is super cute. There's a bottle to feed it, well, for it to drink. There's a diaper, don't get smelly. There's a keychain to store our slime in. There's unicorn food to actually make our slime. And then there's unicorn shimmer, which I think like makes your slime all sparkly. Right, should we peel all these off?
You wouldn't think you'd have all them hidden in there, would you really?
Nope. I want to open the food first and that, so it doesn't like give it away. With the shirt and right, so I'll keep this here so I know what I'm opening. Right, what's this? That's a keychain. I think we should open this first. I think it's food. This packaging is so cute though. Where did they get this from? Look how cute it is. It's like a unicorn's like mirror. Sort of. Alright, how do you open this? Can you
Try the other end.
Can you get me some scissors and when later? Alright, there we go. Is this? Yeah, this is unicorn food. So they give you 4 packets of unicorn food. So I think you get to make 4 slimes then. Ooh, that's awesome.
I wonder if you could buy refills though. I bet you could.
Yeah. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all different like colours to make your slime different colours. I'm gonna use this now. Open this. Oh, that was easy. Alright, so there's 3 packets in here. There's 1 packet of unicorn sparkle, which I think is glitter. There's 1 packet of unicorn, 2 packets of unicorn magic, and that is it. They have these super cute stars on them, and they're just amazing. Right. What's in there?
Hairbrush maybe?
No,
Do you want to open
squishy.
unicorn? Do you want to open the unicorn first so it doesn't spoil your surprise?
This is like squishy though. I'll open this. I think this is like packages. Yeah, it's unicorn shimmer. Woo, this is amazing. So there's 4 packets of unicorn shimmer. And they're in these baby blue packets with stars on. They're so cute. So I think that like makes your slime sparkly as well. Alright. I'll open the keychain. I think this is a keychain. Right, I'm gonna close my eyes and let you guys see it first. Alright. What is it, guys? Is that the right way, Mum?
Turn it around. No, back again. Stop. No, back again. Stop.
So that's the unicorn keychain. Or whatever.
Coming in a bit closer so we can see a bit more.
I just opened my eyes. OMG. This looks so cute. It has this little gold horn and these sparkly eyelashes and these big pink lips. And it has that blended, bro. That's awesome. So it's like a light baby yellow, a light baby purple, a light baby blue, a light baby peach, a green, and a purple again. That's the colours. Now it has this super cute unicorn keychain. Look, it has a unicorn horn.
And the bottom opens for you to store your...
Slime.
They're a bit stiff, aren't they?
Yeah,
We can open it
hurts
later.
my fingernails. Yeah. Right. So we'll put this door stuff in here. What's in these? This is the bottle, I think. Maybe. Wait, no. This is the shirt. This is the diaper. This is a bottle, and this is the brush. I can open the brush. I tell you what. I'll close my eyes to open all of these, except from this one, and then I'll open the unicorn. But I won't look at these, because then it'll give it away. I think I know which one I've got though. Oh, it's got a sad face. But it's still cute. Has a little unicorn horn. Has an angry face, but it's a brush inside. Oh, that's nice. So it's a cloud. I'm an angry cloud today. Hopefully that's not actually where we are. Don't want it to rain, do we? Right, put that there. Right, I'll start with this bottle. Okay. Oh, it's squishy. Alright, so is this the right way?
Yes.
Alright, that's the bottle. Is it scented? It's scented! It's super cute and squishy.
Shall I have it and bring it a little bit closer? So you can see what it says.
Right, I'm going to go with the shirt now. Alright, there's the shirt. Mum, you can show them a bit closer. And I'll get this one. This is the...
diaper.
Yep.
Or as we say in England, a nappy.
Right, can you hide them, Mum?
Yep, hidden. Ooh.
Are you sure they're hidden?
Yep.
I'm going to open my eyes. Oh, they're behind your back. Then I think you don't need this at the moment. I'll just put this all on the floor so we have room.
What do you think's in here, Tahlia?
I reckon we're going to have maybe a galaxy unicorn. Because look at this one. Because it's like galaxy. I think it's going to be like pale colours. Right. I'll open it here. I'll let you guys see first how you open it.
Don't be peeking.
I'm not. I'm trying to open it. There you go. Ooh. Is that the right way? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, I like that.
What is it?
I'm not telling you.
I know which one it is. I can tell. I can tell by the keychain.
Which one is it?
This one! Yes! This is pretty. I really like the look of the rainbow one. I did love that one, but...
I like that one because the colours are not too bright.
Yeah.
It looks more unicorn-y.
Yeah, it's super
So
cute.
shall I show you what you had with
It
it?
has tattoos on its arms. Mum, can I have some scissors though?
Hang on, let me just show you this. You got that bottle.
Oh, this is so cute.
You got this t-shirt. And you got that diaper. I'll go and get you some scissors.
What does t-shirt say?
Looks like a
It
rock.
says don't stop believing. OMG, this is so cute. Guys, this is the cutest thing ever. Oh, the potty's still in here, I think. No, it isn't. It's in this. Sitting on a potty, so cute. Oh, this is like the cutest thing ever. Guys, you can watch her while I cut her. Well, not cut her, but cut the box. I'll cut these first. Actually, cut it from the front. It'll be easier. I don't want to cut her hair. It's too pretty. Right, so we've got... Oh, that's wet inside.
It's just scissors probably.
Oh, okay. So we have this purple measuring cup. We have this golden spoon, feeder. And we have this at the moment. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we'll have to find out. Okay. This is actually really pretty. I did want the rainbow one, but once I realised what this was like, actually by looking at it, I liked this one. So oh yeah, I need to put these. I'm so excited, but this is so hard to cut. I can't like get it without like. Wait, are we there? Are we there? Yes, I've done it! Woo! Alright. Stick these bad boys down there. Alright. OMG, this is so cute! Oh my, her hair is so amazing! Woo! OMG, this is like, I think this is actually better than the rainbow one.
I think it's not. I think it looks more.
It looks because it's like pale and light
more
baby colours.
unicorn.
Oh, she has tattoos on her arms.
What tattoos does she have?
She has a unicorn, a cat, mermaid, a rainbow, a biscuit, I think, bird, a ice cream, another rainbow with clouds, a star and a pizza. And then on the other arm, yep, she has more. A narwhal with a rainbow behind it, a cloud, a S for dollar bills, a burger and a flower. And then the lightning strikes. Yeah, you can show them. OMG, her eyes are so pretty.
Just a little bit.
Let's see
if we can see her.
Don't lift her by her ears, she's a unicorn.
I'm trying to move the hair out of the way.
It's a potty. This is cute.
Telling this unicorn, don't need to tip you upside down.
There's a potty. Ah, this is her potty. And it has a little mixing bowl, I think. Oh, the instructions are here.
Just show you how cute her face is from close up as well. Look at
Her
those gorgeous eyes.
They are amazing. She's
got like silver eyeliner as well. And proper eyelashes. And there's the horn.
Thank you. You've wrecked her parting.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Alright. Should we brush your hair or should we leave it and brush it afterwards? I'll brush a bit of it, but we'll brush most of it afterwards. This is so nice. I like this. And
I love those colours. I love the pink.
I know.
Well, and I like all the colours.
I like the blue and I like the yellow. This is so cute. And she has a little love heart belly button. I know this is a bit weird, but she has a love heart shaped bumhole. Oh, she's so cute. You're my baby now. Alright. So, what do the instructions say to do? Should we dress her up first though?
Pass them to me?
Let's dress her up first though.
Okay.
Alright, I'll
look
dress
at the
her up
instructions while you're dressing her.
We'll stick her t-shirt on first.
It's good as well because the instructions come in lots of different languages. So that's good.
Look at this t-shirt on her, it's so cute. It would be cuter though if she could have like, I don't know, like maybe like a pale colour. But it's nice because it like stands out. Because she's a pale. Wait, no, it actually.
What's her name?
What is it actually? I forgot. No. Her name is. Oh no, it's on the other side. Oopsie Starlight. Her name's Oopsie Starlight.
Oopsie Starlight, I like that name.
Yeah. Sorry about this, unicorn.
Watch your thing.
Horn.
Yeah, that's it.
I didn't know what to call
I couldn't
it.
think what to call it quick enough.
Is it on properly?
Looks it to
I
me.
think it's on properly. It's a bit like a belly top, isn't it?
She looks a bit like a rock chick unicorn.
All she needs is a microphone. Ariana Grande. But she's super pretty. I love you. Right. Oh, her arms and her feet rotate like her legs and that. Right, so what does it say to do, Mum?
It says, tear open one packet of unicorn shimmer and pour it into the toilet bowl.
Do we need to do anything? Like with a unicorn or?
It doesn't say so at the minute.
Okay. Unicorn shimmer. Right. I'm not gonna like actually tear it because if I do then it might go everywhere. Oh, this is so pretty, look at it. It's this white iridescent glitter. Well, it looks like glitter. Careful, Mom.
I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle on it.
Thank you, I really don't want you to like.
Okay, and then what you've got to do, me just read. Use the spoon to scoop up the unicorn shimmer, so you need the spoon.
Yeah.
Push and rotate the dial on the unicorn's back to the feeding position until it clicks into place. I think I've already done that.
Have you?
Yeah.
When? Let's check. Right. Is it towards the left?
Yes.
Nope. You didn't.
Let me look. Let me check.
You have to click it loads of times, I think. I just did it.
Let me just check because we don't want everything coming out, do we?
I've just put it to the left all the way.
Yeah, you're right. It's clicked in that way, so I think that's right.
Is it all the way?
Yeah. Let's hope that's right.
I like a part in.
Insert the spoon fully into the unicorn's mouth and press it against the back of its throat to feed. Repeat until the unicorn has been fed with all of the shimmer.
So
Unicorn shimmer. Now let's sit her on her potter. We'll sit her down, doesn't have to be on the potter.
I need to just sit down. But...
you need to uncover her belly button, don't you?
Oh, yeah. No, the diaper pushes it upwards. I'll have to just stand her up then. How am I going to stand her up?
Use that one hand and...
Can she stand up? Stand it up now, guys. So we need to get the spoon, yeah?
Get the spoon and put it into the unicorn's mouth, right to the back. And just turn the unicorn to face us a little bit so we can see. Have a look, just try and come this way a little bit.
I'm just trying to get it off the side and stuff.
So put that in her mouth.
Push it to the back.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
The unicorn eats the spoon. What's on the spoon?
Not the spoon, Mum.
What's on the spoon?
OMG, this is so satisfying. I'm so excited! What slime colour do you think this will turn out, guys? Comment that down below.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum, yum. Does she go to sleep when she's had
Do
the food?
unicorns need sleep?
I don't know. Maybe we can stay up as long as they want because they're magical.
Yum yum yum.
Are
yum,
unicorns real? I wish they
They're
are.
as real as they want you to.
Those who believe in unicorns will always see them. Those who do not will never.
You can believe in whatever you want to believe in.
Almost done now, guys. I can't get this up that well.
I'd tip it into your spoon if you can.
But I'm going to spill it again. Why did I say again? I haven't spilled it yet. Oops.
That'll do.
I've spilled a little bit. Oops. Only got a little. Don't worry, once she poos out the slime, then we can always collect the shimmer, can't we?
Okay, that's one unicorn fed.
What?
Fill the measuring cup with water up to the lower line and pour it into the toilet bowl. Use the spoon to feed the unicorn the 5 ml of water. Now she needs a drink.
That looks near enough. Looks like the unicorn's got some wind. Gosh, Mum. Unicorns don't do that with water.
What do they do then? She was thirsty. How many more do you think you've got to go?
Pardon?
How many more spoons?
About 5. 3. And what's happening? I can't get it out. You want more? Let me out. What was that? 4?
I'm not sure.
I don't know. 3, 4. I need to pour a little more water because I just spilled
No,
some.
it's fine. It'll be fine. You only spilled 1
It'll
drop.
be too thick.
No, Tahlia.
That's enough. Last one now. She spat it out.
Place the toilet bowl into the toilet.
Okay. Ooh.
Then twist the lid from the bottle.
Twist the lid from the bottle.
Open 1 packet of unicorn food and pour it into the bottle.
Okay. Hungry. I wonder what slime this slime's gonna colour this slime's gonna turn out like. Right, now what?
Fill the measuring cup up to the top, 25 ml,
Of
with
water.
tap water.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah.
Oops. I spilt a bit.
That's okay. Pour the tap water into the bottle, then
It's
tightly
blue.
close the lid on the bottle. Close the lid.
It's blue.
Yeah. With 1 finger covering the straw opening, hold the bottle tightly and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 1 minute. Do not exceed 2 minutes when mixing.
I don't like this part in case it spills. We'll go until 9 past 7.
Yeah.
Because I basically started at 8 past. There's a knot in her hair. Do it for a few more seconds though, because I accidentally stopped. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Go.
Yeah, that's it. Insert the straw fully into the unicorn's mouth and squeeze the bottle until it is empty.
Do we need to tip her on the back or anything?
No, it's fine. They've got her sitting up right here.
I can't do it like that though. Because, like,
Is it in? Blimey, she's
Almost
thirsty. This is one greedy unicorn.
Is that no, it's not all out.
You hear that, guys? How she's guzzled that bottle.
Not finished yet. Almost finished.
Okay.
Whoa.
Now you've done that. That's
Yep,
enough time.
that's
You're going to
definitely
give a
done.
wind if you keep doing that. You're going to give a wind. There's nothing left in the bottle. Okay. Now push and rotate the dial on the unicorn's back to the rocking position.
Okay.
And hang on until it clicks into place. Rock the unicorn back and forth and upside down like a cartwheel for 15 seconds.
Right.
I hope she's not going to be sick now, guys. Now she's been fed with all this food.
Which way?
The opposite way to what you've just done.
Can't turn it.
There you go.
Either way.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
So shake
I'll
the
just
backwards and
double check it.
forwards. It is. It's clicked in.
It might be one more there.
Click it in. That's it.
Do any
It's
more?
in. So you need to start shaking it.
Alright. Should we go?
So back and forth and like a cartwheel. I hope she's not going to be sick. Let's keep her down because I can't see in there. It's a good job you didn't brush your hair first. Are you counting? Because I forgot.
How long?
15 seconds it says. Whee!
She's doing backflip.
Whee!
Oh,
Unicorn
she's got
flying.
water in her hair and she's flipped it in my.
Whee! Unicorn flying in the air. Whee! Whee!
Ugh.
That's got to be about 15 seconds now.
Right.
Now, you have to remove the unicorn's diaper, or nappy as we know it.
I'm just
Move
gonna.
the legs outward and place the unicorn on the toilet.
Can I at least like brush her hair first? I want her to look pretty while she's on the potty. Oh, her arm came out of the t-shirt.
Okay.
Alright. Almost done, Mum. Almost there.
Take a nappy off.
Wait, is that way? No, it's that way.
Put a couple of bows in her hair, couldn't you?
Yeah, because I do have quite a lot. Alright, take a nappy off, is it?
Yep, remove that diaper.
Nappy.
Well,
Why am I getting so used to the word diaper?
Probably use it a lot over
Not
here.
even our country.
right, open up her legs so she can go into a sitting position. That's it.
Like splits like that.
Yeah. Now sit her on a potter and press her belly button.
Right.
Can you just move her in towards you a little bit? That's it. Sit her on a potter, yeah, and press her belly button.
Now, 3, 2,
Press the
1.
belly button to see the unicorn poop. Oh my life! The unicorn's done a poop.
I don't think we shaked it enough.
Is it water?
Yeah. Basically.
Allow the slime to sit in the hang on. Allow the slime to sit in the toilet bowl for 15 to 20 minutes.
Make sure it's all out.
Dreamer.
15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah. Or until the slime reaches the desired consistency. Then stir with a spoon. So we've got to leave that 15 minutes. Okay?
15 to 20.
Okay, guys, we'll come back in 15 to 20 minutes, yeah?
We'll sit unicorn here like this line down.
Tahlia, okay?
Yep. Bye. See you in a minute. Right, guys. So it's been around 15 minutes, so now we're going to stir it with this brush. We finally found out what it was. Right, so we stir it with this then, I think. Right. It's pretty good. I think we need to stir it a bit more there at the moment. Whoa, this is cool. I think this is the right consistency.
Oh, I think it is as well. Mix half a packet of Unicorn Magic to the slime.
Half.
Yeah. Then open Unicorn Sparkle and add it to the slime.
Do you have to add it?
I think so. Continue adding as much of each as desired. Fold and pull the slime over and over to mix it well. So you can just put as much in as you want or as little as you want.
Of each?
Yeah. Oh, what is it? Like a powder?
Yeah. Like a white powder. Alright, I'll mix this in first.
Which one's this one you put in?
Unicorn Magic. Where's that you meant to put in, isn't it? Can I just go in with my hands?
Don't know.
It might be easier to. I'm so excited for what colour this is going to turn out like.
Maybe take the bowl out.
That might be an easier way. Yeah, it's a lot easier. I think it's the right consistency to touch. Yeah, it's the right consistency to touch. This looks so pretty.
So you need to put some
I'm going to take it
unicorn
out.
sparkle as well.
Whoa, this looks cool. And it feels cool. I'll use you in a minute. Alright, so keep on adding as much as we want. I wonder what sparkle we're gonna get. I'll cut the corner off so I might be able to use it again. Ooh, these look pretty. I want to add more. So I got these white iridescent flowers. So they changed like colour to like pink and purple and blue. I'm just going to do it this way.
Watch your fingers.
Why isn't it working?
Don't need to do it. Careful. Oh.
Ooh. Alright.
So in the bottom of the keychain, what is the Tahlia?
Just a hole.
Hidden compartment, isn't there?
Yeah. So you can take this hole and sneak it in. Where do I put the extra?
Put it in your bottle.
Yeah.
Won't all fit in, will it? So you got a little bit extra.
It even says that on the what's it called? The instructions, I think it is. So that's cool though, because you get more slime to play with, don't you?
Mhm.
And you can sneak it into school, can't you? I want to play with this little bit. This is so fun. Right, we'll stick this in this little bottle. Yeah. And there's a little bit of the food left. It's turned into slime when we left it in there. Boy. Right. Get off me. Right, there we go. We'll stick the lid on. Because it's screw on. Oh, but we'll have to put sellotape on top of this.
We'll find a little top for it, don't worry.
Yeah. Right, so this is keychain. Super cute. Right, let's get the unicorn. Alright. Should we do it? Hello. I'm going to make sure all that slime's out of here. And guys, if you do get this and it's stuck, all you need to do is go to the back, push these two in and lift this out. And then you can take this out. You'll find this plastic thing in here, like something that has an arrow on. I can't get it out. Oh, there we go. Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed watching us make this Poopsie slime. That is right, isn't it?
Unicorn.
Poopsie Surprise Unicorn. We highly recommend it. We rate it 10 out of 10. Bye guys. Please like, subscribe, comment and share for more fun videos. Also, if you don't want to miss any more fun videos, hit the notification bell down below and join the Toys from Fam Squad. Bye. Love you all. Now we can have a pamper party.